about to eat my food. Bon appetit. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Nahomi. Today's episode, we are about to cook. Yes, cook. We cook, guess what? Cabbage. Yes, cabbage. Come with me, let's go into my kitchen. Well, the kitchen that I share with a lot of people, but so yeah, my kitchen, and cook for you guys. Basically something that you can eat with everything. Like you can eat with rice, noodles or pasta. Like you can eat with everything. So, and it's also healthy, and you don't need much of ingredients to put in it. So you just need cabbage. Come with me. Cabbage, zucchini, onion, tomatoes. You can if you don't have zucchini, you can put carrots. If you don't have all these fresh things, the reason why I'm cooking these fresh things is because it's fresh and I don't want it to get spoiled, and I just want to cook it and just store it so that I can know that I have food. So right now, we need to wash the vegetables. Like you gotta be washing it and wash it and wash and wash and wash and just keep cut my cabbage into 4 pieces. You can see it, 4 pieces. And I'm gonna cut the other one. Since I don't have a cutting board, I'm gonna use my surface. I hope it doesn't break and destroy the thing, but I am from a household that we can cook just with our hands, and we don't need a cutting board or a chopping board, what they call it. But here you go. I can either cut it like this, like this is broad enough, or do this. But I'm gonna use the bigger knife. Alright guys, since we just cooked the cabbage right now, we have drained it. I have drained it. Drained the water that was in there left. Basically, there you have it, the cabbage. Let's get cooking. So first we are putting the heater on high. I'm all dressed up to cook. We put in oil in the hot pot. Lots of oil, so you get oil. And then our onion. Alright, so we're gonna put in the tomatoes now. We have to let it shimmer. We're letting this shimmer for a little bit. I think I can see it. Until the tomato is kind of like wrinkled. And then you put in your zucchini, all sliced up like this. And stir, and stir, and stir, and stir. I added one more ingredient in it, which is pepper. It's a sweet pepper. I'm just gonna take one, drop it in there, and let it have fun. And then now I get to put my spices on it. then we're good. Oh, you guys gotta see this. Oh, look at that. Can you see it? There you go. Alright, while we're still ready, wishing. For those who are vegetarians, you can eat this like this. You don't have to put any meat or any chicken. But for those who want to put chicken and meat, some kind of meat in it, so I advise meat or chicken. No fish. Fish does not go as well with it. So in my case, I have chicken. So I'm gonna pour it all in. This is cabbage soup, guys. So we're gonna let this. Look at that. This is a big pot. Seriously. And this just eat it by itself. If you're someone that wants to gain weight or maintain your weight, you can eat it with something else. For someone who wants to lose weight, just this. Nothing else. Alright, so we're gonna let it shake. I'm gonna put more spice in it now. Spice. I know I'm putting a lot, but I will taste it soon though. Just give me a second. And pour. Shake it. La piece de résistance. Voila. And then you put it in. And then you put it in. And then you put it in. And then it's go. And it's done. You gotta put everything in there. Okay, we're good. No wasting here. I don't throw my leftovers. I always find a way to put my leftovers back in my new food that I make for the next day. No wasting, people. Alright, so look. This is awesome. It's going on so well. And then you just mix. Because since the cabbage is already cooked, we put it last because we don't want it too soggy on everything. So, and then just mix and mix and mix. Taste. Oh, but that was delicious. You know, you're actually proud of your food. You're happy about your food. And then now, we just let it shimmer. Let all the juices, the flavors, let it mix, and then we will come back and check on it. So let it simmer for like 10 minutes on low heat. Very low heat, like on low heat. I like to shake mine. And voila. And now, we let it shimmer. So now I'm just gonna clean my kitchen and while this shimmer, okay? This is the last turn now. Guys, look at that. Look at what 2 cabbage gave us. A whole pot of meal. This can actually serve more than 5 people, seriously. And like if you cook this, all you have to do is just add in, you can boil some rice, boil some plantains, in African plantains. You can boil some potatoes. You can eat this with everything and anything that is starch related. pasta, you can put it on top of pasta. But in my case right now, I'm just going to put it on top of it. Gotta stay fit, people, and healthy. So, guys, looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, and we're done. Off first. That gotta go first. I don't know why this is here. I have roommates, so they're just throwing stuff around. Okay. Next step now is to store it. I usually would let it sit and let it cool, but in my case, I just want to put it in my storage first before then wash this, so that I don't need to wash anything else. I just put it there and it's done. Guys, I like when I cook, I like to clean right after I cook. I noticed that I have to clean after I cook, otherwise I will not clean. Like seriously, I would rather cook than clean. Like I will cook for hundreds and hundreds of people than cleaning. But that's okay. I've learned the process now. The process is when you're done, just clean it. Done, clean it. Done, clean it. Done, clean it. Done, clean it. Okay, this is looking good. All right, see? This I can eat for the whole week. So I'm good. God got me. God got me. And you guys don't want to know how I got this food? Another story for another time. But first, I'm dishing my food out. Yeah, I'll put it in another one. Storing the food. Storing the food. Storing the food. Oh, that was hard. Touch the pot. Yeah, clean the whole pot. Nowadays food is very scarce, so we gotta use everything. Voila. There you have it. I'm in my room. I'm about to eat my food. Bon appetit. All of those who don't have the means to get this or to make this, I pray that God provides to you the way that He has provided to me for me. Is actually, this is the proof to show you that God has provided for me. So keep your head up, pray about it, and just have faith. Have faith that things will get better. Have faith that things will be good. I'm sorry, my dog is making a lot of noise. He wants to eat the food. So today, I hope this just brightens your day. It doesn't give you anything else. Just the fact that you can make food with 5 ingredients. In my case, 6 because I added chicken. Give me a second. What? Sorry. Because I added chicken. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching.